Welcome back, kids. So we have already completed true or false. Correct. So now we'll move on to fill in the blanks. Are you all ready? Yes, see here. Roman number 3. It is fill in the blanks. So now you have to answer for all those things. Okay. So the first one is a dash treats people who are sick and hurt. Who treats people who are sick and hurt? Yes, very good. A doctor treats people who are sick and hurt. Correct. Now, second one. We go to a dash to watch movies. So, where do we go to watch movie? Where do we go? Yes, it is. We go to a theater to watch movies. You can watch at the home also, but theater is a recreational place where we can go out and we can watch. Third one, we must not talk to dash when we visit places. We should not talk to whom? When we visit public places, we are not supposed to talk with strangers. Yes. Third one is we must not talk to strangers when we visit public places. Here, and dash is a place that has a lot of rides and plays. Your favorite place. Which is your favorite place? Yes, park and amusement park is your favorite place. Correct? No. Why? Because you can play. You can play in water. You can ride. You will have lots of rides and games to play there. Isn't it? Here, an amusement park is a place that has a lots of rides and games. Fifth one. A dash is a place where we read and borrow books. Which is a place that we read books and will maintain silence in that place. What is the answer? Yes, it is a library is a place where we read and borrow books. Correct? Okay. So the next one is, what is the next one? It is answer the following questions. In down you have 2 questions. Right. What is the neighborhood, like that. So that is thing you can write it down itself. Okay. See, I'll show you where to write. So see here, kids. Here you have the 4th one. Roman. Answer the following questions. Right. So here you can write that. Okay. So if you want, you can write it here itself. So that will be easy for you to refer. Okay. Okay. So now we'll start. See here. So here it is answer the following question. So the first question is what is a neighborhood? So now you tell me that what is a neighborhood? Yes, neighborhood is a particular area where many families live is called neighborhood. Isn't it, kids? A particular family where many families live is called a neighborhood. For example, so if you are staying here, so next to your houses you will have friends. Lots of friends you'll have. Your mother also, they should talk to neighbors and all. Correct? No, you'll borrow foods, you'll go to their home, you'll play. So these are called the neighborhood. So you have more families. Correct? No, a particular area where many families live is called neighborhood. Next question. Second one. Give 3 examples of public places. What are the 3 examples for public places? So we have so many public places. Correct? No. Bus stand, railway station, airport, hotel, hospital, then shops. So we have so many public places. So here we are going to write only 3 public places. So the first public place is park. So park is the first public place, your favorite place. Second one is theater. Third one is music. So this is what the 3 public places you are going to write in your studio. Okay. So kids, hopefully we have completed this chapter. Chapter number 8, going places. Okay. So I hope you all have done with this. If not, make sure that you write it neatly. Okay. So now what we'll do is, I'll give you a small lesson summary so that it will be easy for you to, for revision purpose, it will be easy for you. So I'll give you a lesson summary. Okay. So are you all ready? Shall we start? Yes, come on. So now let's recap for the lesson. It is lesson summarize. So you can see there you learnt about neighbors. Correct? No. So here neighbors. So what do you mean by neighbors? So a particular area where many families live is called neighbors. Correct? So a particular area where many family live is called neighbors. Correct? Next one is going places. It is about a public place. A public places is used by the people living in a neighborhood. Correct? No. So we people use public places, right? So if we feel tired, we can sit in a park or we can sit in a bus stand. So all the things, public places. So bus stand, railway station, airport, hospital, hall, what is that, mall. So we have so many public places. Correct? No, kids? So that is all public places are used by we people. Correct? So this is a public places. See, hotel, hospital, all this fire station, all this is all the bank. This is all the public station. See here, I'll give you in detail. So the first public station is public places: school, hospital, bus stop, park, bank, post office. The next one is police station, fire station, library, market. So these are the public station. Correct? Public station, it is a public places. So these are the public places. Correct? So fire station, police station, library, market, park, bank, then hospital. So these are all the public places. See here, beach, restaurant, playground, theater where you can watch movie, park you can play with your friends, museum you can see interesting and historical things in museum, home so you can relax at your home in your sofa or couch and enjoy watching TV. Correct? School where you can learn many things. Stadium, so you can play, if anyone is playing you can watch, even you can also play. Airport, so where aeroplanes and all flies. Fire station, hospital, so here doctor are there to help us so when we fall sick and all. Library, to read books. Bank, so if you want any money we can deposit or we can collect it, so any loan things. So we have post office, this is a mail carrier, so who helps us to deliver letters and parcels. Police station, so if we face any problems we can seek help with policemen. They'll rescue us and they'll sort it out our problem. Correct? No. So these are the public places. Here reading to learn about community helpers. Okay, see here, what is this? So these are the public helpers. See here, community helpers. See here, doctor, so this is a doctor. When we fall sick, doctor, we need doctor helps, he is there to help us. Police officer, firefighter, chef, mailman, teacher, nurse. So these are the community helpers. Correct? So police, just now I told you, no, in public places and all we'll go and police are there to help us. See here, in detail it is here. See, so we have so many public helpers here. See, it is cross, here I have kept it straight. Mail carrier, so this is a mail carrier. See, mail carrier, and this is a veterinarian. Veterinarian is nothing but veterinary doctor, who treats animals, birds and all. So if we fall, if we are suffering from fever or cold something, we will consult doctor. So the same way for animals also they have a doctor, that is veterinary doctor. Okay, so that doctor only can see animals, can treat animals well. Here, crossing guard. So when you go for outside, you can see the traffic, this thing and all, traffic symbol and all, isn't it? Signal. So there you can see a symbol. We have stop, go, all these things, indications will be there. So that is called as a crossing guard, where the people stay to guide you. So if they say stops, you have to stop. If they ask you to go, you have to go, like this. Fisherman and forest ranger, doctor, police officer, mechanic, farmer, firefighter, nurse, trash collector. Trash collector is nothing but garbage bin. So who collects all the waste, no? And waiter, lifeguard, chef, teacher. So these are all the community helpers you know. I have already taught you. Correct? Yes. This is a recreational places. Amusement park, park, theater, museum. So these are the recreational places. So now this is the main thing, safe and hygienic in the neighborhood. How to be safe and hygienic. See here I have given you some tips. See here. First one is do not talk to strangers. Safe thing. So we should not talk to strangers. Second one, do not talk loudly. So we should not raise our voice and talk. Third one, throw waste in a garbage bin. Hygienic. So throwing waste in a garbage bin is really a hygienic and good thing. Fourth one, stay with an adult all the time. So what we have to do? We have to stay with our elders all the time. Do not run around. We should not run. We have to walk. Keep the place clean. So wherever you have, we have to keep our place and surroundings clean. Correct? The next one. Rules to be followed in public places. So this is the thing that what we have to follow the rules. Here first one is maintain silence. Correct? No. So when you follow these rules, maintain silence. Yes, it is a library. We have to maintain silence. Here, do not talk loudly. Correct. We should not talk loudly in public places. Not only in public places, at home also. We should not raise our voice. We have to speak politely and softly. Third one, do not talk to strangers. Yes, talking strangers is really a bad thing. No, we should not talk to strangers and stay with an adult. Staying with an adult is safe. Always safe. Correct? No, staying with an adult, we will not misplace. So nothing will happen. We will be in a very safe zone. And here, fifth one, do not throw garbage. What is this? Do not throw garbage. We should not throw waste in, as it is wherever we are like that. We should throw all the things in dustbin. Correct? So throwing garbage in a proper places is really a rules to be followed. We have to follow that rules. Okay? So kids, I hope you all have understood this. Correct? You have understood this. And all the going places you have learnt here about neighbors, neighborhood and community helpers, public places, what all the rules to be followed. Correct? So these are all the things, and safe and hygienic. So you learnt about these things. Correct? No? You learnt it. Correct? So you have understood this clearly. So what you have to do now? So CW work I'll give you. Okay. So you have to take your time and complete all your studio work. So you have today question time and concept map also. Write concept map neatly, and the next page question time also. Match the following, true or false. Fill in the blanks, and question and answers. All these four you have to write neatly. Okay. So you'll write neatly now? Yes. Mark the following. If you want, you can, marking is better. Better marking, you can write your numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. You can write the numbers sidewise. Okay. So that will be neat. So question and also down you can write it. Okay kids? Okay then. See you in the next class. Take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day kids. Completed. Okay. Bye bye.